Hi, this is Megan Renberg. So this lab is reheating using the microwave energy transfer. So the directions are to take two baked rolls 2 inches apart on a microwave safe plate and place it in the oven and turn it on for 10 seconds. So I bake these rolls and they're about 2 inches apart. And then I'm going to cut one roll into fourths and taste immediately, allow the other roll to sit for 2 minutes and cut into fourths and then taste. Compare the overall palpability of the reheated rolls and record observations in the table. So this is what we're going to do.